yesterday we discussed cubic polynomial factorization. In easy way method, I explained how to factorize the cubic polynomial. So today I am discussing by using division method how to factorize the cubic polynomial. In case we are not getting easy way for given cubic polynomial zeros, so here you can use division of polynomial. In earlier classes we learned division of numbers, but here we are using polynomials. How to divide per given polynomials. Okay, here we need some basics in this to doing of this process. Little bit it is related to division only, but here some variables will include. Okay, so don't be confused how we are doing numbers division. Same way we are going to do. Okay, now here some polynomial they given to us. S cube plus 3x square minus x minus 3. This is our cubic polynomial. So, we are reducing to quadratic polynomial. This polynomial we are reducing. Why? Because in earlier classes we learned how to factorize cubic quadratic polynomial. So, for given cubic polynomial we are reducing into quadratic polynomial. Then we will factorize the quadratic polynomial. So, here the given one zero of polynomial. For cubic polynomial, 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. That means, if you substitute 1 in place of x, it becomes 0. So, that is the 0 of the polynomial. So, when you are writing in a polynomial form, if they given to us 1, when you are writing in a polynomial form, it becomes minus. Okay? X minus 1. Linear polynomial. Okay, na? For suppose, if they given 2, write x minus 2. We are writing 0 number, we are considering, we are converting into linear polynomial. Got it everyone? If they given to us plus, we are writing negative form. If they given negative, we will convert into positive. For suppose minus 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. So for this writing of linear polynomial, it is x plus 3. Okay? So this is the way we are converting linear polynomial. Now how to divide? Here cubic polynomial they given to us. So x minus 1. 1 is the 0 of the polynomial they given to us. 1 is 0 of the polynomial. Now when you are converting into linear polynomial, it becomes x minus 1. By using of x minus 1, we are going to do division. Okay. So now this is x minus 1 is a divisor. And this is dividend. Okay. By using this divisor, we will divide this dividend. Now x minus 1. Now dividend is x cube plus 3x square minus x minus 3. Now only simple step of first term what we have in cubic polynomial, x cube. So divide with the first term of divisor. Construct first term of dividend and divide with the first term of divisor. This is dividend first term. And divisor first term is x. Now cancel it. X here it is the power is x cube and here power is 1. Okay. So if you split it, how many is x's you will get? 3 x's. Here 1x. So it will cancel. How many x's left? X square. So here quotient part consider x square. Only remember one thing, x first term dividend in the first term should get cancelled. Then only our division process will follow. Okay. So to reducing this one first term we should remove. For that what we are doing, we are constant quotient. To writing taking of quotient, what we have to do? Taking of dividend first term and taking of first term of divisor and divide it. How much we got? Which is left here, that is considered as a quotient. Got it? Write it here, quotient part. Now x square into x, you will get x cube. Okay. Next, here connected term also we have. So multiply x square into minus 1 minus 1x square. Where we have x square term, in below only we write it. Now consider opposite. In division process we will do the subtraction. So change the symbols. Okay. Now here plus x cube, here minus x cube. Get cancelled. Next, here plus 3, here plus 1. So after changing symbols, what are the symbols we are getting? Those symbols only consider. Before symbols don't consider it. Now it becomes plus 1. So plus 3 plus 1, it becomes plus 4. So plus 4x square. And remaining left terms, write it down. Okay, now here, next process, here we got x square. Next process is 4x square. So 4x square dividend. We consider this polynomial is a dividend. Now in dividend, which is first term 4x square. Now in divisor, first term is x. Now divide it. 4x square x. Now how many x's will cancel? 1x. So what is left here? 4x. Now write it here. What is the sign of here? Plus. So write it here plus. Plus 4x. Plus 4x into x plus 4x square. And plus into minus minus. 4x into 1 minus 4x. Next to change the symbol. Plus 4x square minus 4x square cancelled. And here minus plus 4x. So it will be subtract and you will get plus 3x. Okay. Next to minus 3. After that again next step which is becomes dividend 3x minus 3. So in this which is first term 3x. So for 3x divide with the divisor first term. 3x by x. Now x get cancelled and what is left here? Plus 3 is left. So write it here plus 3. Now plus 3 into x plus 3x. And plus into minus 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 3. Now change the symbol. Cancelled. This one also cancelled. Okay. Already they mentioned 1 is a 0 of the polynomial. That means when you are converting in a linear polynomial, when you divide it with a given polynomial, it should get remainder as 0. Then only our process is correct. Then after, if we are not getting 0, it is wrong. Okay. So this is 0 of the polynomial for x cube plus 3x square minus x minus 3. And what is the quotient we got here? X square plus 4x plus 3. So here one of the 0 of cubic polynomial is x minus 1. And cubic polynomial, in previous classes we discussed for cubic polynomial how many zeros we will get? 3 zeros. So we got 1 0. What about other 2 zeros? To splitting up this quotient part, you will get the other 2 zeros. Quotient part is here, you got x square plus 4x plus 3. This is our quotient. So which polynomial we got here? We got quadratic polynomial. So for quadratic polynomial, how to factorize? We learned that process. Consider that process. X minus 1. Here 3 factors we will consider. 3 ones are 3 and 3 plus 1 4. So consider it. X square plus 1x plus 3x plus 3. Okay. X minus 1. Here if you common it x plus 1 and here x common and here if you common 3 x plus 1. X minus 1 x plus 3 and x plus 1. These are the factors of given cubic polynomial. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros we got it. So for cubic polynomial, these 3 are the factors of given cubic polynomial. Okay. And here we will discuss division algorithm. What is division algorithm? Division algorithm says when we divide some number, again after multiplying divisor and quotient and adding of remainder, you will get dividend. That is the division algorithm. So here division algorithm is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, look at here. Generally we will discuss. We have knowledge on numbers now. So consider numbers. Here we have 25. So in 5 table it will cancel. 5 5s are 25. So what is the remainder? 0. Got it? This is dividend and this is a divisor and this is quotient and this is remainder. Same way you will get polynomials also. So here dividend we are considering here polynomial p of x. P of x is dividend and divisor is g of x and quotient is q of x and remainder is r of x. Okay. Our r of x should be equal to 0 or less than of q of x. Okay. R of x around how it should be? It should be 0 or less than of q of x. And g of x, when you are writing a p of x degree of dividend polynomial, how to it should be? It should be 1 plus of degree of quotient. Okay, whatever the quotient we are getting, we should add 1 and you will get p of x. 1 plus q of x, you will get p of x. Okay, degree of p of x. Always our conditions 1 plus q of x. 1 is here number and the degree of q of x. If you add, you will get p of x. Okay, got it? These are the rules. Now another question they given to us, that is the fourth degree polynomial, that is multinomial. So 2x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. This is our fourth degree polynomial, and they given to us other two zeros, that those are root 2 and minus root 2. So they asked to find out other two zeros. See here, what is the degree of this given polynomial? 4. So you will get 4 zeros. Already they are given to us 2 zeros, and other 2 zeros we have to find out. For this, what we have to do first, given 2 zeros, we convert it into linear polynomials. Now here they given root 2 numbers. So when you are writing in a linear polynomial, change the sign. Here plus 2 plus root 2, so it becomes minus root 2. And here minus root 2 means plus root 2. And which form these two are in a minus b and a plus b identity form we got here. So consider that identity, a minus b, a plus b. So you will get a square minus b square. Okay. Now what is a here? X. So x square. And what is b here? Root 2. So root 2 whole square. And square root cancel, and which is left here? X square minus 2. So this one has a divisor. Now what is dividend here? 2x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square and plus 6x minus 2. This is the dividend. Okay. Now using of this divisor and divide this given fourth degree polynomial. So here our process first term should get removed. So here what is the first term of dividend? 2x to the power of 4. So here 2x to the power of 4 divide with the first term of divisor. So 2x square cancelled, and what is left here? 2x square. So quotient is 2x square. 2 into x square, 2x to the power of 4. And minus into plus, you will get minus, and 2 2s are 4. And x square. So here we have the x square term minus 4x square. And draw the line. Change the sign. So these two will cancel, and here no term is there. So minus 3x cube will carry 2 down. And here plus 4 minus 3. So it becomes plus 1 square after subtracting. Next remaining two terms, write it down. Now what is the first term of dividend? 3 minus 3x cube. Divide the first term is x square. So 2 x's get cancelled and 1 x left. So which is left term here? Minus 3x is left. So write in a quotient part. With sign also consider it. Minus 3x into x square, you will get minus 3x cube. And minus into minus plus 2 3 is 6x. So where we have the x term here. So in down write it. Change the sign here, plus, and here minus. And here no term is down, so directly consider 1x square, and here 6x is 6x cancelled, and which is left here 2. Okay. Now what is the first term of our dividend? 1x square. And what is the divisor first term? X square. Cancelled. So which is left here? 1. So plus 1. 1 into x square, 1x square. And plus 1 into minus, minus 2. Change the sign. Get cancelled. This. Now remainder as 0. So when they given to us zeros of the polynomial, when you considering a linear polynomial and converting into a linear polynomial, after dividing with a given polynomial, it becomes a remainder 0. Then only our process is correct. Then only we consider this as a factor of given polynomial. Got it? So x square minus 2 is the factor of 2x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Now, after getting this, what are the other two zeros? Here, what is the quotient here? 2x square minus 3x plus 1. So here, quotient is 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Now, do the factorization of this. 1 into 2, you will get 2. Two factors are 1 and 2. So, 1 and 2, you will get 3. 2x square minus 2x minus 1x minus plus 1. Splitting of 3x. Okay, 2 ones are 2, you will get, and 2, 1, you will get 3 here. Got it? 2x common. Here left is x and here left is minus 1. Same polynomial consider here x minus 1 and here minus 1 left. So 2x minus 1. Common polynomial is x minus 1. So other two zeros are 2x minus 1 and x minus 1. So overall how many zeros we got it here? X root 2, x plus root 2 and 2x minus 1, x minus 1. These are the four factors of given multinomial. Got it? Now when you are writing in a number form, you will get x values are 1 by 2. Here 1 and x coefficient 1 by 2 and here plus 1. These are the zeros of the given multinomial. Okay? Fourth degree polynomial. Got it everyone? This is the process. When they are given to us two zeros, convert into linear polynomial and multiply it, and after that you will get one polynomial that consider as a divisor, and whatever the given polynomial consider as a dividend, and do the division, and after getting quotient part consider it and do that quotient part factorization, you will get the factors of given fourth degree polynomial zeros you will get. Now here we have an exercise problem. They asked to find out other two zeros. So 2 3x to the power of 4 and plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Here obtained zeros are under root 5 by 3 minus under root 5 by 3. So you may confused if they given a fractional form how to write, how to do. So here first of all convert into a linear polynomial x minus under root 5 by 3 and here x plus under root 5 by 3. Okay, again it is in the form of a minus b, a plus b identity. So you will get a square minus b square. So they given left side form and we got right side. So we write in a right side form a square minus b square. Now a square is x square and b square is 5 by 3 under root whole square. Square under root cancel and here x square minus 5 by 3 you will get. Okay. So if you have a fractional number, no need to worry ma. Here whatever the denominator part, write in a x square coefficient and take consider as this. Okay, common 3. Then it becomes 3x square minus 5. Got it everyone? Okay, if any case if you have any constant term having fractional, you can apply to remaining terms, then it becomes normal number. Okay. Now this is a divisor. And dividend is here 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. This is the dividend. Okay, now divide it. 3x square minus 5, 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Okay, got it? Now same process, first term divide it with the divisor. X square, square cancelled, 3 get cancelled, so which is left here? X square is left. So quotient part write it x square. X square and 3x square, it becomes 3x to the power of 4. And 5 into x square, 5x square. Where we have a x square term here, so write it in the. Change the symbols. Cancelled. And here plus 6x cube. And here plus 3x square. Okay, plus 5 minus 2, you will becomes plus 3x. And remaining terms are 10x minus 5. Next, dividend first term is 6x cube. So divide with the divisor. 3x square. So 3 2s are 6. And in this, out of 3, 1 will cancel. Okay. So 2x. Take consider here 2x. 2 3s are 6. x into x square x cube. And plus into minus minus and 2 5s are 10. Where we have x term here. In the write it. Now change the sign. And here plus 3x square. And this will cancel and minus 5. Okay. Now this one divide with the 3x square. 3x square by 3x square. Overall this term cancels. So it completely divided now. So consider this one quotient is 1. Plus 1. Plus 1 into 3x square plus 3x square. Plus into minus 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 5. Change the symbols. Cancel. Now remainder as 0. So our process is correct. Now 3x square minus 5 is the 0 of the polynomial of given 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Okay. Now quotient part is here x square plus 2x plus 1. So for quotient part do factorized. X square plus 2x plus 1. Now 1 factors are 1. So to getting of 2, 1 into 1 you will get 1. So 1 plus 1 2. X square plus 1x plus 1x plus 1. Now common x. X plus 1. Same polynomial right here. So here 1. Okay. X plus 1. X plus 1. Now numbers are minus 1, minus 1. Okay. Now our zeros are minus 1 and root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. These are the 4 zeros of given multinomial. Okay.